Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be sharing a requested tutorial from my group on how to cut this stylish Queen Anne neckline 3-part corset blazer dress, and this dress is from Mega Couture. And to see the full drafting tutorial, please go down to my YouTube channel at Draft with Maki. To also join my WhatsApp group, go ahead to indicate at the comment section. So here is my pattern paper, and I've gone ahead to mark my basic measurement, which includes my shoulder to bust, shoulder to under bust, shoulder to waistline, and for my waistline I added 7 inches for the blouse length plus ½ inch for sewing allowance. Next, you want to go ahead and mark your shoulder divided by 2, because this dress has a sleeve. Add half to it. So my shoulder is 14 divided by 2. I have 7 plus half, making it 7.5. So at that 7.5 inches, I came down by 1 inch and I'll connect it, which will serve as my shoulder slope. To find your chest line, which is also your armhole, you're going to mark your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. So mine is 7 inches. I made a mark on that point, and the mark I have there, I'll also measure it and transfer it to the other side just to have a straight line for my chest line. After doing that, go ahead and measure what you have on the shoulder, which is your shoulder divided by 2 plus half. And I'll go ahead to place my ruler and connect, drawing out a straight line. Now, you want to go ahead and divide what you have at the armhole into 2 and mark. From this point, you're going to come in by ½ inch to draw your curve. Here at the chest line, go ahead to mark your bust circumference divided by 4. Now, you're going to connect from the armhole down to the bust circumference at the chest line, and you're also going to connect it to the upper part of your pattern or the upper part of your shoulder. So now I'll be marking my dart. To mark my dart, I'll mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2. So my nipple to nipple is 7 inches divided by 2. I have 3.5. So I'll just mark that and stop at the waistline. So from my chest line, I went up by 1.5 because that is where I want my cup to start. So if you're a bit busty, you should consider using 2 inches or 2.5, or if you're a plus size, you should go ahead and use up to 2 inches. So I connected my lines, and now I'll be marking my dart intake. For the dart intake, I'm making use of 1 inch on both sides. If you're a bit busty or also on the plus size, consider using 1.5 inches on both sides of your pattern. So now I'll go ahead to connect from my bust down to my under bust, and also repeat this at the other side of my pattern this way. I'll go ahead to use my marker to outline to